Kind of chilly today, like 57 burr. Skies are crazy. It's gonna rain. Some much needed rain's coming. Cool skies up there. Look at these crazy cats. Let me see. They're feeling like rain coming or something. Oh, you guys. What do you see out here? Georgie cleaning himself. Fiona supervising the neighborhood. You like to look how far up we are. Super high. There's higher up than us, as you can see. But yeah, we're still pretty high up. Lots of birdies. Look at that little hummingbird right there. Right there. Hi, mister. Hello. Welcome to the castle. Oh, he's so cute. Look at him. The kitties have not seen him, which is a good thing. He's so cool. He's just gonna, they love the bougainvilleas. So there's hummingbirds and kitties and crazy water-filled skies, I hope, because LA, we need it. But happy Saturday, everybody. Resist by being happy, no matter what.